Navin Road, as one of the busiest streets in Hong Kong, it's too poor in terms of improving human experience. Lots of visitors and shoppers always filled up the streets, making it so difficult for them to walk through. A few steps away, there are cars releasing air pollutants while producing terrible noises. Pedestrians would be the first to suffer. Dripping from air conditioners and waste dumping make the street unhygienic and become a breeding ground for bacteria. The hanging billboards generate light pollution and pose a threat to pedestrians as they might possibly fall off in the future. So does the concrete. So we dreamed we develop the street by adding intelligent elements while solving the above problems. And this is our conceptual model. Similar to a Travelator, the pedestrian travel system will facilitate people to walk through the street as they step on the moving belt. It is designed to be deployable so that the maintenance would not block the streets. Running in a speed of a meter per second, the belt would mimic the structure of gecko's foot, so users would be more firmly adhered to the belts. LED monitors would be introduced to provide advertisement, replacing the hanging billboards. Rainwater would be collected from the roof and used in cooling down the system and the surrounding air, maximizing the use of resources. The intelligent roof would cover the whole street to regulate the amount of sunlight and prevent rainwater from penetrating. To generate more electricity to sustain the system, the wind turbines on top of the roof would mimic the vortexes produced by fishes as they swim, such that the turbines can be put closely with one another without affecting their yielding efficiency. The roof consists of two layers. The lower one is made of a photochromic material that excessive sunlight would be blocked with changing opacity. The upper one is composed of transparent solar cells, which help generate electricity using solar energy, while allowing enough light to pass through. For the dirty pavement, it's a common place that dust and dirt easily deposit on the ground and persist for a long time. It's also troublesome to arrange regular washing in order to keep the street clean. So, to achieve the purpose of self-cleaning, the pavement would be made of one layer of ultra-hydrophobic material, mimicking the Lotus effects that leaves surface would undergo self-cleaning when water comes, carrying the dirt away. The beneath layer of piezoelectric material would help generate electricity when stress is applied. That means there is free energy gain whenever people walk on the streets. Dealing with air pollution, several suction holes are designed to absorb pollutants and release them through the chimneys above, improving air quality. To avoid getting lost, you can use the AR navigation from your smartphone to lead your way. By introducing bacteria to the concrete, any crack would be healed with the minerals produced. To alleviate the problems of noise and air pollution, all private transportation would be put underground, allowing only public transports, like buses and taxis, to run on the surface.